In this video, I will show you the different histological slide of testis. We will discuss only the salient feature, but before going to the histological part, let's discuss first the gross structure of testis. As you all know, it is a paired structure and its main function is to produce testosterone and spermatogenic cells. It is present outside the body in the scrotum, where the temperature is slightly below the body temperature. It is about 2 to 3 degrees below the body temperature. Testis is a male reproductive organ. It is a paired structure and it is 4 cm in length and is located in the scrotum. Its function is to produce spermatozoa and the male hormone testosterone. The covering capsule of testis includes tunica vaginalis, tunica albuginea and tunica vasculosa. The substance of each testis is divided into 200 to 300 lobules. Each lobule is conical in shape with the apex is directed towards the mediastinum of testis. Each lobule contains 2 to 3 highly convoluted seminiferous tubules. These tubules join to form straight tubules, and these straight tubules form the rete testis, and the upper part of rete testis give rise to efferent ductules. The efferent ductules is highly convoluted and form the head and body of epididymis. At the lower end of epididymis, these ductules join to form a single duct called ductus deferens, which continue as a tail of epididymis. In this picture, you can see the straight tubules, seminiferous tubules, the rete testis. In this video, I will show you different histological slide of testis, and I will describe you the salient feature to identify the slides. So, it is the histological slide of testis. You can see here the seminiferous tubule is present in different cut section. So, the identification points are: the surface is covered by visceral layer of tunica vaginalis. You will see the cut section of seminiferous tubule in the slide. The wall of each seminiferous tubule are lined by generation of spermatogenic cells and the supporting cells of Sertoli. In this slide, you can see here the seminiferous tubule is present in different cut section. Here inside the tubule, the spermatogenic cell is present in different stages of development. The upper layer is tunica albuginea and the vasculosa layer. It is the seminiferous tubule, and inside the lumen the spermatogenic cell is present. The other identifying points are: the wall of each seminiferous tubule are lined by generation of spermatogenic cell and supporting cell of Sertoli. Between tubules, fibrous connective tissue is present. Here you can see it is seminiferous tubule, and inside the lumen spermatogenic cell is present. Towards the basement membrane spermatogonia, and towards the lumen spermatozoa, the more mature form is present. The spermatid is present inside the lumen. The lumen is ill defined, you can see here, and in between the seminiferous tubule, the interstitial cells of leading is present. There is presence of Sertoli cell inside the lumen, you can see here. It is the histological slide of testis. The other identification points are: the interstitial cells of leading is present between the tubule. I have shown you in this slide also. You can see the leading cell is present, and in between the tubules the fibrous connective tissue is present. So what are the points to note? You have to note there are many layers of cells, and there is greater variety in the size and shape of cell and their nuclei. There is lack of well defined lumen margin, and the cell boundaries are ill defined. These points you have to note while examining the histological slide of testis. Now in this slide also you can appreciate more better the spermatogonia, the spermatozoa, the leading cell is present. See the lumen, it is ill defined, it is not very well defined. The cells are also ill defined, and it is the fibrous connective tissue which is present between the tubules, and at places the leading cells are present. Now come to the next slide. Here I will show you, it is the histological slide. It is seminiferous tubule, you can see here. It is convoluted, you can appreciate the convoluted. The inner margin of lumen is ill defined, you can see here, and you can see the spermatogenic cell are present inside the lumen. Now it is also a slide of testis, you can see here also. That's all.